Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Vern, jack of all trades, master of none. I'm going to try to show you how to change this air filter, this cab air filter inside the vehicle. It's a 2014 Chevy Equinox. I'll do my best to show you how this is done. Here we go. Inside of here, it's a little tab here. Hopefully you can see it. A little black tab. I'm pushing it up slightly while I hold the glove box and I try to position it so I could just drop it, and there it goes. My glove box is now free, right? Okay, so now the glove box sits in a little swing thing here, these little brackets, so I just popped it out. Okay, now if you can see back here, there's two little tabs that we need to press. It's difficult when you're filming. Otherwise, I would say this is very easy. So now we got some light. Hope you can see a little better. We're gonna squeeze these tabs, and then the cabin air filter door should open here. Okay, and now that it's open, as you can see, I took this vehicle for oil change, and they checked the air filter and it was dirty, so they showed it to me. It was filthy. They didn't put it back in. I assumed that they were being honest about it. I guess that came with the oil change. You know, they check your brakes and they check the filters and stuff, but this is a do-it-yourself job, and so I decided to do it myself. So this filter has to go in a certain way. Okay, airflow. So you want to put it in this way with the airflow arrows down. So we're going to push it in this way. All right, let's kind of get this up. You gotta hold it up while you push it in. Let me see. I don't know if you guys can see. I can't. There's just no way I can hold the camera in and do this, but I'm holding it up and pushing it in. Then I'm gonna close the door back. All right, so the next step is gonna be to line up these tabs with the glove box and kind of get this thing back in position. So I'm gonna do best I can, feeling my way in it. I think that's it. Now I have to pay close attention to put this back in the way I took it out. So as I'm pulling this out, I want to push this in. Actually, we could just push this in and it should just, yep, there you go. And there you go. So that's it, done. Job is done, we changed it. Didn't cost us anything, but a little bit of time. Okay guys, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you know next time there's a video release. And you can also, in your comments, request what kind of video you like to see. I mean, I'll do my best to make that video for you. All right guys, see you on the next one. Bye.